St. Minerals Pressed Powder Foundation. I'm here today to give you some helpful tips on how to use these and how to take your makeup and your client's makeup to the next level. So I have my foundation done, I've set everything with the mineral veil, and now I want to make everything look really polished, make it last longer. So I do this every single time I do makeup on myself, and this is one of my secrets that I use on all of my clients. So for my foundation, I used the liquid foundation all over, and then I contoured with a little bit of the cream foundation. So I'm sure you know, but once you set your makeup into place with the mineral veil, which is a translucent powder, everything can look a little bit flat, and it kind of takes away some of the dimension that you've created if you've done any contouring, any highlighting. So pressed foundation powder will help to bring that dimension back into the skin. Now, while everybody uses and loves the pressed bronzer, for someone who's fair like myself, it can be a little bit intense, and this is not something that I personally would use as more of a contour. So then we enter into the pressed foundation powders. So personally on myself, I'm always gonna use 01, and I use it underneath my eyes. I use it in my T-zone area. Anywhere that I want the highlighted parts of my face to kind of pop out, I always use this color. So let's say you did your makeup, your client's makeup, and you realize maybe there's a little bit of darkness still left underneath the eyes. Maybe you want a little bit more coverage around the nose, but once you've set everything with powder, it can be tricky to go back in with any sort of cream product. So this is going to be your key. So I'm gonna take 01, and I'm just gonna go around my eyes and kind of in the area where I probably would want more coverage. I'm gonna take a little bit on the forehead, on the chin. So I'm using the small fluffy brush, but if you wanted more coverage, you could definitely go in with something that's bigger and more densely packed like this. So this is gonna add more coverage to my skin. It's also going to set my foundation even further, which will make everything last even longer. So something like this is gonna be perfect for your clients or yourself throughout the day. There's a sponge included, so it's really easy to just keep in your purse, throw in your bag. So whether you're at a wedding or if you're just gonna be out and about all day, this is gonna be amazing for keeping your foundation looking fresh all day. So I did 01 on this side, so you can see how it just looks a little bit more polished, a little bit more finished than this side. So I'm gonna even it up. So now I want to warm up my skin a little bit. I want to add a little bit more of that contouring without using the bronzer. So for that, I love 05 and I love 06. This is going to add warmth, a little bit of coverage, and it's going to look a little bit more natural than the bronzer. I'm going to use this brush. I'm going to go in. I'm just going to tap it where I put my cream foundation earlier. So the bronzer is amazing. It does have a little bit of shimmer to it. So if you're wanting to do more contouring to your face, this is gonna be a better option because it's matte. Contouring is like adding a shadow to your face. So for that, you want something that has no shimmer and is matte. This is gonna give you more of a sculpted look than the bronzer would. So it's gonna warm your skin up, but it's also gonna help to add structure. So I'm just applying this in the contour areas where you would naturally wanna see your features more hollowed out. I'm gonna add a little bit to the nose. So exact same thing if you are doing makeup on a client, and once you give them the mirror and they say, I wanna be a little bit more bronzed, I wanna be a little more contoured, it's so much easier to go in with this powder product than to go in and add more creams. If you do that, it can look patchy, it can look muddy, so this is really gonna be your secret weapon. Another helpful hint when you're doing makeup on clients, let's say you did the foundation, and once everything is on and powdered, you realize the color is just a little bit off, maybe it's a little bit too light, or maybe the difference between the contour and the highlight is a little bit too dramatic and you need to soften it overall. This is when having the full shade range is gonna be so helpful for you. So this is 04, so this is in the middle of what I did for my highlight and what I did for my contour. Taking something that is in the middle is gonna help to blend everything together and make it look more seamless. So this is really good if you are starting out or if you just want everything to look really perfect. So I went in the center with the light shade, the 01, I did the contour 06 along my hairline, and let's say I just want to blend it all together. I'm gonna go in with 04, which is more in the middle of those two colors. So I'm just gonna go in between those two areas and just gently pat this in. This is gonna give you more of a gradient look. It's gonna look softer, it's gonna look a little bit more natural. So not only does this help to correct any blending issues, it's just these final little tweaks when you're doing a makeup application that will take your makeup from good to great. And these can always be used as an eyeshadow. So let's say you're looking in the mirror, you're looking at your client and you think they could just be a little bit darker, just go in with these powders and add them like an eyeshadow. So let's say you or your client have any discoloration around your eyes. If you put this down first before your eyeshadow, this will help to conceal that, and it will give you an amazing base for blending eyeshadow on top of it. So all in all, the pressed foundation powder, it doesn't have to just be used for foundation. It can be used to correct anything. It can be used to add dimension to the face. It can be used for eyeshadow, highlighting, contouring. It can be used for everything versus just using it as a regular foundation in your day-to-day. The best part is you can just pop it in your purse. You have that sunscreen protection, and you can use it for almost everything. So if you're looking for a truly versatile product that's gonna help to elevate you and your client's makeup application, look no further than this.